Hello, it's I. Sorry for a lack of videos, by the way, but here I am. You see, I've recently gotten into Game Grumps and Battle Cats, so I'm gonna open up this unopened classic Dungeons and Dragons set. Epic Adventures with Wizards, Dragons, and Magic. Sounds like me in the bathroom. Let's see what's inside. Actually, I want to see what's inside. 128 page rules and adventure books. Takes you on takes you adventuring while you learn the game. There are 6 molded plastic character figures, 24 stand-up counters featuring awesome monsters you face, a 6-panel Dungeon Master screen puts important rules at your fingertips, and a large full-color dragon dungeon poster map, and a complete set of adventuring dice. I actually lost my dice, so this is good. Probably gonna use this minimally because I usually play 5th edition, but it's okay, I'll still probably have the chance to use it, so. There. So, I seem to have lost myself in this god-awful posture. So, let's get into it. I don't have anything to open this with, so I'll just use my beat-up nails. There's a tear in the back here. There. You see, this is like really new, and it's from 1994. I have a sister that was 2, and she's married. So, that's kind of cool. Ooh. Kind of outdated cardboard. Let's open this. The figures are probably broken because this is, again, really old. Here's the screen. Not very good quality screen. Because, like, this is the back. I should have brought my D&D stuff for comparison. Oh, the miniatures just look like generic board game things. Here is the Rules and Adventures book. That's kind of hot, yeah. Oh, here's the dungeon map. I'm trying really hard not to break this. Holy! I might actually use this sometime. Jeez. And I don't know how to close maps because I was born that way. There. Some of my players actually watch this, so Yeah, these are like the little like stand-up things. You kind of like take it out and then fold it so it could like stick up. But let's start with the dice. For showing. Like here's the D12. They're all just generic colors, but they're all different colors, so that's kind of cool. There's 20. Here's the D8, 2D10. One's black, one's white. Just like the Pokemon games. Haha, get it? Funny nerd joke. Here's D4 and D6. This is the customer response card. That's kind of cool. So that's good. Here's a closer look at the things like there's a whole bunch of characters and well, monsters. So oh, there's a blind guy. That's kind of cool. Yeah. Yeah, there's one that's just like gnomes. Plural gnomes. So here's the cover. So it's the front of the box. So and the back is just a generic color. I should do like this again, even though my back is kind of injured. And here's the front of it, and here's the inside of it. So that's this is my first unboxing video. I'll probably not do that much anymore. Unless I get like some really cool Funko Pop, which probably won't happen, so. Subscribe or I will nuke your planet.